Oh wow. It's so cool. So I was in the Empire State in New York, and now I'm in the Willis Tower.
Fucking Sears fucking tower, damn it.
In Chicago. But
Sears fucking
as he
tower.
rightly mentioned, it is still the Sears Tower to me and him and probably most
fucking
people.
Sears fucking tower, that is.
Yeah.
Fuck you, Willie. And your fucking wanker drive. 233 wanker drive. I'll show you a wanker drive. Come here. Come here.
I was trying to make a nice video and you come on and fucking cuss it up. You disgust me.